Hello guys, today we are going to discuss what is the difference between RAM and ROM. So number one difference is volatile memory. So you can say that RAM is a type of volatile memory. Volatile memory means its data is lost when the power is turned off. Is called volatile memory means its data will get lost when the power is turned off. And when I talk about ROM, so it's a kind of a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory means it retain its data even when the power is turned off. So you can say that ROM will retain its data even when the power is turned off, and it hold the permanent storage. And when I talk about storage, so RAM is a temporary storage. Temporary storage means it's hold the data and program that the CPU needs while performing tasks. It provides the quick access and manipulation of data. So you can say that RAM hold the temporary data and programs which is required by the CPU to run its program, and it allow quick access to the data and manipulation of data. So you can say that RAM provide quick access to the data because it's hold the temporary data and which is required by the CPU to perform its task. When I talk about permanent storage, so ROM store permanent data. It store formats or software that is rarely changed. Means you cannot change very rarely, such as BIOS or firmware in a computer. And also you can use it embedded devices. Means you can hard code or micro code in a embedded devices. So it's a kind of a permanent storage. Whenever you want to store the permanent data, so you can use ROM because it holds the permanent data. But the point is that ROM holds the permanent data which you can not modify or write very quickly or very easily. So it's hold permanent data. And you can also say that some type of ROM can be reprogrammed, but it's a rare thing. When I talk about speed of the RAM, so RAM is fast and allow the CPU to quickly access the data which is needed by the program. So RAM is fast and it allow the CPU to quickly access the data which is required by the CPU to run its program, because you can say that CPU required some sort of instructions and data which is needed to perform its task. So it is held by the RAM because RAM store the temporary data, and you can also read or write the data from the RAM. When I talk about speed of the RAM, so ROM is slower comparatively to RAM because it is not used for the immediate task but rather for storing crucial system instructions, because ROM is not meant for immediate task. ROM only store permanent data, and also is it store the data which is crucial for system instructions. Means you can say that ROM is slower because it is not meant for the immediate task comparatively to the RAM, and it hold the crucial system instructions. And when I talk about capacity, so modern computer have typically several gigabytes of RAM. Means you can say that today's PCs hold several gigabytes of RAM. Means the several gigabyte RAM are available in modern PCs. And when I talk about capacity of the ROM, so ROM typically have a much smaller capacity than RAM because it is not meant for the immediate task. It is not meant for the task. It is not used by very often. So you can say that ROM is a smaller capacity comparatively to the RAM. So this is a definition of the RAM and ROM. So I have discussed what is ROM and what is RAM. So this is the differences of RAM and ROM. So this is all for today. I will bring some other lecture in the coming video. Thank you.